Okay, so I just wanted to make a quick video on how to make your Discord audio sounds better. I have a brand new mic that I've been using that sounds really good on Audacity, but whenever I get on Discord, it sounds really bad. And I figured out the solution to make it sound better. So what you want to do is open up Discord, user settings, voice and video, right? Scroll down. Where it says audio subsystem, change it to standard. Also, up here, advanced voice activity, it should be on. Automatic control gain, turn it off. Noise reduction, turn it off. Echo cancellation, and turn it off. And then what you should have now would be a better sounding mic. And here, I'll show you an example. This is my mic using default Discord setting. This is my mic after changing the settings.